Hey designers, I'm Getsis and this is Weekly Design News, where I review the latest design industry news. So let's go! Twitter announced the update, new font and higher contrast to the interface. The plan was to improve accessibility, but the opposite happened. Users with astigmatism say that the new font makes it difficult for them to read text, which would appear more blurry and cause headaches. The social network also removed some dividers and added more space on the interface to make, as they claim, make the text easier to read, while high-contrast black buttons replaced the original blue to draw focus to more important features. This too somehow backfired, as some users with various disabilities claim that this makes the platform harder to use. Also, so-called custom chirps font was identified as GT America, with minor changes to spacing and special character for Twitter logo. It seems that while accessibility has well-defined guidelines, it is still something that needs more attention. We have a number of good practices, but they do not cover all the corner cases. More and more companies are being sued for not making their website and apps accessible, and current standards like WCAG only seems to cover a small portion of all of those accessibility issues. Even if you follow them, you cannot be sure your product is fully accessible and you will not get sued. Tiffany & Co., the luxury jewelry brand, tries to reposition itself. When someone says Tiffany, unveilingly I see Audrey Hepburn classic lady look from movie Breakfast at Tiffany. And that brand voice was exploited for long time. The new art burns to dust this image. While Tiffany & Co. set out to modernize its brand image into one that was more youthful and trendy, its latest branding campaign could be one of the worst brand refreshes in recent memory. According to Creative Blog, most of the social media response to this campaign has been decidedly negative. Worse still, it has seemed to backfire with one of the brand's largest customers base, mothers and middle-aged women.
Shut up, you stupid fucking cunt! All you do is complain.
Maybe, just maybe they plan to democratize their prices, but surely they will lose current clients' respect if they will keep that ageism tone in their new advertising campaigns. During the Unpacked 2021 event, Samsung revealed a whole bunch of new goodies. Among the new offerings are 5G foldable phones and upgrade to its wearables, Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Watch.
Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood.
What caught my attention was the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It features a sensor not yet seen in smartwatches. It is the body composition sensor. Basically, it allows you to calculate your body fat percentage and muscle mass.
Bioelectrical Impedance Analysis, BIA, is a method of measuring body composition. It uses a weak electric current to find the amount of water stored in the body.
It's really cool to see how things are evolving with wearable smart things. Not only do they help you to track your health metrics, but they also motivate you to take actions to improve them. And every year this only gets better, and I think a lot of designers want to contribute to those kind of changes. Bruce Willis is the first A-list star to license his deepfake image rights for advertising. In recent commercial, the actor appears to speak perfect Russian.
Я узнал, что у меня есть огромная семья, и тропинка и лесок в поле каждый колосок.
Could this be a new way for celebrities to make big bucks overseas despite not physically there? Probably yes, but it also opens a new gateway for artificial stars. I remember the movie Simone with Al Pacino. In that movie, the producer digitally creates an actress to replace the star.
A star is digitized.
And this sci-fi movie could be the prediction for the trends in the movie business for the next decade. Adobe has just announced major updates to Photoshop on both desktop and iPad, including the new Discover panel. With this new feature, users can access tutorials, one-click actions, and other features from just one place. Users will now be able to choose from many new spectacular skies and import up to 5,000 skies at once. The Warp tool with Bezier handle movement is just fantastic. And a few more updates are coming to the iPad version: healing brush, wand, and canvas projection. Overall, nothing breathtaking, just small improvements that we waited so long. Mastercard credit and debit card will no longer have the signature magnetic stripe on the back. The stripe will disappear from Mastercard payment cards starting in 2024 in places where chip cards are already widely used, such as Europe. But I doubt this issue will be valid in 10 years, as the trend is toward virtual cards and contactless payment. So this seems like a similar update to Mercedes deciding not to put cassette players in their cars. Who's going to use that, right? For years, Tesla CEO Elon Musk warned people about the dangers of AI-controlled robots, even predicting scary outcomes like in the Terminator. Now he seems be taking matters into his own hands before humanity is overrun. The electric vehicle company will develop a humanoid robot prototype. Musk emphasized that Tesla bot will be designed to be friendly. In case anyone is convinced, he added that the android will walk slowly enough at 5 miles per hour so that humans can run away from it. I think Musk knows how to generate hype around himself and the Tesla brand. It seems everyone is expecting some big sci-fi announcement from him, and he's delivering every time. Once again, Facebook is showing off its virtual reality stuff. This time it's Horizon workspaces. I remember almost the same stuff a few years ago.
First live demo in VR.
This time, the avatars seem more polished and the use case used in the presentation is more down to earth. I can really see myself doing brainstorm sessions with a remote team, discussing designs, wireframes, and customer journey maps. Fingers crossed that it gets published soon.